How to set 3D wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, that is iOS 26, as 3D wallpapers work perfectly in iOS 26. Now, in your home screen, swipe down from the top left of your screen and you will be led to the notification center. Here, tap hold on the screen and you will see the plus icon on the bottom right. Tap on the plus icon and then go ahead and select the image that you want to add as 3D effect. Make sure that not all images support 3D effects, so your image should include some type of building or wallpaper such as of a people or animal or puppies, etc. So once you have the image selected, you will see the hexagon-like icon beside the three dots. So tap on that, and with this, the 3D effect will be added. You can then go ahead and add the widgets if needed, and you can also go ahead and change the clock font. Finally, tap on the add button, and now with this, your 3D wallpaper will be added. Now, every time you tilt your phone, you will see that the image is moving along whichever side you move your iPhone. So you can tilt or move it slightly foreground and it should shift differently than the background, giving a subtle depth effect. So this is how you can add a wallpaper that is 3D in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.